Who is better at origami, Jeremy Shafer or Jo Nakashima? Yes! To find out, each athlete must use their origami skills to climb the mighty Mount Midorigami.
If you're thinking this contest is made up, maybe you should still keep watching so you can find out who wins.
Jo Nakashima is the defending and undisputed Origami Warrior Champion. That's got to be intimidating for Jeremy. This is a long-awaited matchup, and it will finally settle the long-lasting feud between these two athletes, which started more than 11 years ago when Jo Nakashima rudely made a tutorial for Jeremy Shafer's balancing eagle. But more on that later. It's time to begin. The first obstacle is the snake run, which tests how many subscribers each athlete has. This has tripped up many challenges already tonight, but the mighty Jo Nakashima effortlessly skips through with a score of 2.03 million subscribers. Jo has brought the fire. That's going to be real tough for Jeremy to match. Jeremy Shafer steps up to the starting line. The crowd are cheering his name.
Let's go.
And he's off, confidently navigating the snake run like he's done it before. Well, that was impressive, but he can't match Jo Nakashima, earning a score of 550,000 subscribers. Jo Nakashima is off to an early lead, and he's not wasting any time. He's already bouncing up the launch pad to the next obstacle. Jo Nakashima is well known for his strategy, which is definitely evident on the spider jump, because he avoided the mistake that Aussie champ Ben Paulson made earlier this evening. Instead, he climbed up the edge like a boss. However, the most important thing to get you through the spider jump is your most viewed video. Jo has no difficulties here. His Origami Rose video has over 27 million views. Wow! Jeremy easily clears the spider jump. He's clever too, but again he falls short of the defending champion. Jeremy's boomerang plane video has 9 million views. Jo Nakashima extends his lead. It's 2-zip now. But that could easily change here. The broken bridge will give the dreaded channel audit to one unlucky challenger. And it hasn't gone off yet tonight. Jo gracefully crosses. The bridge doesn't even move. And what? Oh no! The channel audit has been triggered. And it's not good. It's definitely not good. The audit has found that out of Jo Nakashima's 562 videos, over 100 of them are tutorials for other people's models. Is that a problem? I don't know. The umpires are conferring, and what will they decide? We'll find out after this ad break. Tim Tams are delicious. And we're back. The umpires are still umpiring.
Taken.
Let's delve into the feud between these two warriors. So, Jo made a tutorial for Jeremy's balancing eagle. Jeremy was furious. He responded by starting his own origami YouTube channel. In retaliation, Jo made an origami Hercules beetle, and Jeremy just couldn't resist making one as well. When Jo designed an origami pixel, Jeremy decided that he could make a better one. Not to be outdone, Jo pointed out several ways to further improve Jeremy's new design. Most recently, Jo Nakashima designed a pufferfish that doesn't inflate. So Jeremy just had to go one better and made a pufferfish that does inflate.
This model is my response to Jo Nakashima's tutorial. In particular, it's a response to all the comments asking for a 3D pufferfish.
This feud is intense, and the only way to settle it without
Spilling any more blood is to see who can make it to the top of Mount Midorigami. Here to help us wait for the decision is previous winner of this championship, Tadashi Mori.
Hello everybody.
Tadashi, you know Jo Nakashima well. What do you think of his chances here?
And Jo Nakashima is my enemy, and no one wants to fold my enemy's origami.
Wow, okay. Seems a little harsh. Oh look, the umpires have made a decision. And Jo is safe. Woohoo! Before the action continues, could we quickly hear an explanation from the umpire?
We've decided it's acceptable because you've done the same thing on your channel, Jason.
Fair enough, but Jo isn't out of trouble yet. To earn a point on this obstacle, you need to have a healthy Wikipedia entry. Let's check it out. And it's loading. It's loading. It's still loading. It's doing that spinny thing that I hate. Do you hate the spinny thing? Ah, finally. And there's nothing there. Jo Nakashima doesn't have a Wikipedia page? How is that possible? Somebody needs to make one right now. But even that wouldn't help Jo Nakashima. He gets no score for this obstacle. What about Jeremy Shafer?
And now it's time to cross the bridge. Here goes.
He's across the bridge, and let's check out his Wikipedia page. Will it be empty too? I'm sure Jo Nakashima hopes so. But no, Jeremy Shafer has a very healthy Wikipedia entry. Look at that. It says that Jeremy is known for his unique and whimsical origami designs, and he has a bachelor's degree in mathematics. Jeremy definitely deserves the point in this round. The score is 2-1 with Jo Nakashima in the lead. Now on to the triple corkscrew. This obstacle assesses how much personality each of our athletes show in their videos. Jo Nakashima, show us your personality. Jo Nakashima showed a good sense of humour by designing a character from the Untitled Goose Game. Fans of the game certainly appreciated it. Designing a dragon that works on a roll of toilet paper is definitely an entertaining concept. And this photo of him hugging a plush crane is definitely very cute. But what does Jeremy Shafer have in the personality department?
Prepare yourselves for the most powerful origami ninja weapon.
I'm balancing a ball on my nose.
Can't your intro be more epic?
Check it out, I just got my new front teeth. And it also has a mouth. Wet folding, anyone?
Oh my gosh, look what I found in my garden.
So much personality. Jeremy wins this round. The scores are tied at 2-all. Hey, I said 2-all. Thank you, that's better. Next is the salmon ladder, where we assess who makes the most realistic models. Jeremy has a realistic praying mantis, a scorpion, a flapping bat, and we can't forget the Hercules beetle. That's an impressive level of realism from Jeremy. Let's compare that beetle with Jo Nakashima's version. I think Jo Nakashima's is a bit closer to the real thing. What other realistic models does Jo Nakashima have to offer? Well, he has a charmeleon, a rose, a chess set, a phoenix, an eagle, a sunflower, a reindeer, several awesome dragons, and this cute cat. Tadashi, I like Joe's rose design. Which design do you like best?
Now the next origami rose is the best one because it was created by me. That's how it is. No bias.
Thanks, Tadashi, but that doesn't really help me judge the contest. So, the Realism Award has to go to Jo Nakashima. Next, our origami masters need to tackle the 19-foot mega wall, where the prize goes to the athlete with the most interactive origami models. We know that both athletes can make origami that looks pretty.
Aren't I just so handsome?
But now we need to know if it can do stuff. Jeremy first.
Spins.
Expanding universe.
Well, let's battle.
It flaps really easy. For this poppet tessellation, and it spins for a pretty long time.
Most of Jo Nakashima's models are static, but he has one thing that could really put a spanner in the works and end the competition right here. Jo Nakashima's most interactive model is origami, moving cubes. Yes, this definitely matches Jeremy's level of interactivity. Jeremy is looking worried.
Oh my gosh.
Is his campaign over? No, it's not. Jeremy wins this round, and I'll tell you why. Most of Jeremy's interactive models are formed from a single piece of paper, so creating movable parts is very difficult.
Alright, so for this model, I'm going to use a 10-inch square of comic.
However, Jo Nakashima's moving cube is modular, made from many smaller parts that can be joined together in many different ways. Jeremy ties the score up at 3-all. Now it's time for the final round, where this whole competition will be decided. All that our athletes have to do is climb Mount Midorigami. This final obstacle examines any bonus factors that could contribute towards becoming an Origami Warrior Champion. Why else should Jo Nakashima become our Origami Champion? Well, Joe provides free diagrams and instructions for each of his models, which is pretty generous. He could easily charge for his fans to purchase them. Joe has set the bar really high. Victory could be his. Can Jeremy Shafer surpass Jo Nakashima in the bonus category and steal this victory? Let's see what he's got. Jeremy Shafer is a published author, having written not just 1, but 3 origami books. That's a strong move, but there's more. Jeremy holds 2 monthly live streams for his members and is incredibly dedicated because he regularly holds live streams well past midnight for his members in other time zones. Jeremy also makes himself directly accessible to his fans by offering one-to-one origami video coaching calls. Finally, NASA engineers have used Jeremy's flasher to improve their space telescope designs. Well, that list is unbelievable. What more can I say other than it's not fair to be so good? Jo Nakashima also thinks it's not fair because Jeremy Shafer has stolen the victory with 4 points to 3.
Take that, Jo Nakashima.
And with that, another Origami Warrior Champion has been crowned.
There it is.
Who should compete for the next title? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.